welcome to my channel. Welcome to Decorate Your Life Sunday, where today we're going to be looking at what we've got finished in our junk journal kit, vintage Shabby Chic by Sandy over at Decorate Your Life. But before we get started, I just want to give you an opportunity to take a snapshot of my QR code or get a real good look and write this code down. That's going to get you 15% off upon your checkout. I'm also going to ask you to jump over, take a look at the design team, look at the brand ambassadors for Sandy. They're just going to blow your socks off. And I feel like right now, me and Miss Jenny is in a competition on our journals. Oh my gosh, you got to get over there. You have to see what she's making. And if I must be honest, I'm pretty sure she's winning this race. So hop over there and see hers. Oh my goodness, Dahlia's Mandalay Cards and More is just gorgeous. And our other ladies are also preparing some delightful surprises for you. So I'm going to put a link to everybody's channel in the description box below, as well as anything you need to get yourself over to this shop and get your 15% off and buy your phenomenal paper crafting supplies. With that being said, guys, let's get started in our journal. All right, as promised, guys, here we are. I have gotten a little bit more done in the book. Of course, not as much as I wanted to. You get this kit and all you want to do is sit down somewhere and play, right? This is the kit for journal makers and paper crafters. It is so versatile. You can really do a lot of anything you want with it, and it's going to come out gorgeous. So I did do our lace pocket like we talked about. And this is just an old lace curtain. This is my other just lace I bought. And then so I did the tag. We put the lace, edged it. Now on the back, I'm going to wind up putting coffee dyed paper. I just haven't gotten to dye it yet. I'm working on that this week while I'm on vacation. And then here I'm going to put an embellished. I'm going to do, like I said, the it'll be this direction. You know, it'll go this way, but it's going to go in the pocket, of course, that way. But it's going to be the book page followed by a piece of the kit. And then here we have an envelope. These tags I've got several ideas for. I just haven't done them yet. And then here we have an envelope. Goes in here. I'm probably going to put several little goodies in there. And then this gets embellished, of course. And then here, the tickets that come with the kit, I'm going to put up under there. So we got that. Let me keep that in case. No. I'm going to do one over here in case we have more pockets. Then I did, this is this one, only on this page, and I haven't embellished it yet, but it's going to look similar to this. All right, and then we have this pocket, which has my unfinished Polaroid in it. I'm going to do some of the fussy cutting of the ladies and put one in there. And then I did not leave this one up. And then that's my folio I haven't finished yet for another time. It's not going to live there. That's just to remind me I need to do it. And then we've got this pocket, and I'm going to put I'm going to put a cluster in here from the little labels that the kit came with. Let me see if I can pull out my labels here real quick. I have them, but I'm not sure if they're available in my stack here. There they are. See, I'm going to do the clusters with these, and I think that I'm going to use some of this lace and then the little postal stamps. I want to get a lot of the little postal stamps on there. So then we'll do collages with those. And then, of course, they go here in this pocket. And then this was that notebook that I told you I was going to turn this way. And then I'm going to shorten it so the next one will fit this way. And I put some bridal lace on there and the regular lace. And I just cut this out of Sandy's paper and put 2 index cards in there that will get embellished. This is a standalone kit. If you did nothing but print just this paper, you can pair it up in any way that you like, and you're going to come out gorgeous. There's one of the giant tags I made that's going to become a writing board. And then that is where we're at. I still have a few pieces left. We're going to cover this back page with the lace just like the front. And then I am going to be finishing up here in 2 weeks. I'm so glad May turned out being a 5-week month. I'm having too much fun. And so yeah, now next up, like I said, I'm going to rust some straight pins, and I think I'm going to put a couple of rusted straight pins here. And maybe, throughout the book, maybe. But for sure, I'm going to put a couple of rusted pins right here, and maybe a few little beads or charms on them. But anyhow, guys, I just thought this was gorgeous. This kit, there's no way you can't have fun with it. And I thought this turned out nice. And then I thought I was going to do like Jenny did and put the lace on the signatures. But then I thought, no, if I just do something like these to mark my signatures. We can't do it there because, maybe I can. I certainly can. To do these, I can do that. Look at this. As my markings of my signatures. So front and back. And then front and back. And front and back. So we're getting there. Like I said, I'm going on vacation. We are headed out. We're going to take a day and go out to our ranch. And I'm going to take this book with me. I'm going to take my little crafting table. I'm going to take my iced tea. And Sandy, I'm taking your gorgeous kit with me and doing nothing but working on my Shabby Chic Vintage Junk Journal kit. Isn't this just amazingly gorgeous? Look. It is just, what else I thought about, guys? This would be beautiful for is a Bible journal. And you could take it to church with you. I'm just hugging my journal. You could take it to church with you and do your Bible notes. Wouldn't that be pretty? Like I said, if you can imagine it, Sandy's designs are for it. All right, with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.